Hi students, today we are going to study a problem related to dynamic programming. So using dynamic programming, find fully parenthesized matrix product for multiplying the chain of matrix A1 to A6 whose dimensions are 30 into 35, 35 into 15, 15 into 5, 5 into 10, 10 into 20 and 20 into 25. So dynamic programming basically uses a tabulation method. So this is the table you have to make, and this table consists of 6 rows and 6 columns, and is used for storing the solution. And there is one more matrix S I comma j, and it is used for splitting purpose. And this method is actually bottom up approach. So the first will be considering only one matrix at a time, so that will be 0. Okay, here also it will be written as 0. So first you will start from a smaller value. So we have taken one matrix at a time. Now we are taking the combination of two matrices. You should use this formula: Ci comma j is equal to minimum Ci comma k plus Ck plus 1 comma j plus di minus 1 into dk into dj. And in this case, the minimum value is taken where k ranges from I to j. Now we will start doing the problem. So we have taken one matrix at a time. Now we are going to take two matrices at a time. All the two combinations of 6 matrices. So that is A1 to A2 can be joined together. If A1 and A2 is combined together, it will be written as M of 1 comma 2, and it will be set here. Next, you can take A2 and A3 combination, that can be written as M of 2 comma 3, and it will be written here. Next, we can take the combination of matrix A of 3 and A of 4 together, and it can be written as M of 3 comma 4. So it can be written here. Next, we can take A4 comma A5, and it can be written as M of 4 comma 5. So it will be placed here. Okay. Next, A5 comma A6. So it can be written as M of 5 comma 6, and it will be placed here. Okay. This is the two matrix combination. Now we'll see how to solve this. And after solving this, we have to arrange them in this column. So here A1 into A2 you have to perform first. That is written as M of 1 comma 2, which is equal to 30. This is the order of our A1 matrix, that is 30 into 35. A2 is 35 into 15. So we can make this 35 into 35 as a single element. So 30 into 35 into 15, that is equal to 15750. Okay. Now what we do is we write that value into this matrix, that is 15750. Now what should be written in the solution set? So from where the split is happening is from here, this is being splitted, no? So you can write here as 1. Okay. Now we'll go for the second one, that is A2 comma A3. That can be written as M2 comma 3. M2 comma 3 will be written as 35 into 15 into 15 into 5. So it will be written as 35 into 15 into 5. So the answer is 2625. So that will be written here 2625. Okay. And where the splitting is happening, after 2 it's getting splitted off. So that is, it will be written as 2 here. Next we are going to write A3 comma A4. That can be written as M of 3 comma 4, which is 3 is third matrix order is 15 into 5, and fourth matrix order is 5 into 10. So that is written as 15 into 5 into 10. Okay. So that is 750. And After getting this 750, you have to write here 750, and from where the split is being occurring, the split is being occurring from the third one. So from here it is happening, so we'll write it as, so we'll write here as 3. Now, which is the next one? So next one is A4 comma A5, which is written as m of 4 comma 5, that is equal to, A4 is 5 into 10 and A5 is 10 into 20. So that can be written as 5 into 10 into 20. So that is 1000. So we will write here as 1000. Okay. And from where the split is happening? From fourth place the split is happening. So write it as 4. Next I am going to take the combination of A5 comma A6. That is written as m of 5 comma 6, which is equal to 10 into 20, 20 into 25. So that is 10 into 20 into 25. So which is written as 5000. So update in the table 5000. And from the split is happening, the split is happening from the 5. So you must write 5 here. Okay. Next I am going to take the combination of 3 metrics together. That is A1, A2, A3 together, and it will be written as M1, 3. And the splitting is A1 alone, then A2, A3 together, then A1, A2 together into A3, then M2, 4, that is A2 to A4, that is A2 and A3 together into A4, then A2 into A3 into A4 together, then M4, 6, that is A4, A5, A6, that is A4 alone, A5 and A6 together, then A4 and A5 together into A6, then M3, 5, that is A3 into A4 into A5, then so that is the split will come as A3 into A4 into A5, then A3 alone, A4 and A5 together. So first we will do this combination. So the minimum value we are going to take, that is if it is A1 here, so we will take M11 plus, we are going to take next combination is from 2 to 3, that will be written as M2 to 3. Then we have to multiply 30 into 35 into 5, that is we have taken the scalar multiplication of the metrics, the 3 metrics. Okay. For this you can refer the previous video on dynamic programming. Next one is M. Next combination is this, and that we will write it as M1 to 2. Okay. M1 to 2 plus M3, 3 plus 30 into 15 into 5. So the answer will be 7875. Then here it will be 18,000. So which one is smaller among them? This one is smaller among them. Okay. So that is M1, 3 is smaller, that is 7875 we are going to take, which has given you this value, that is A1 into A2, A1 alone multiplied with the A2 and A3. Okay. So that you will set in the table. So 1, 3 will have 7875. Okay. The split has occurred from the first position. Okay. So next combination is M2, 4. So that is which it is having 2 splits. No. Similarly, what you have done here will be done here also. So from that you will be getting the smallest value 4375. This has come from M2, 4. That is next the split has been occurred from the third point. So 2, 4. So it will be written as 4375. And the split is happening from the third one. No. 2, 4 is written as 3 here. Next we will go to the combination of M3, 5. as we have done before. So that will be the smallest will be taken as 2500, and the split is been occurring from the third position onward, third matrix onward. So we will update it 2500 here. Then the split is happening third matrix, no, the split is happening from the third matrix, so you will write 3 here. This one is your M4,6. Similar way we will calculate this, and the smallest value will be taken as 3500, and it will be updated in your table, and the split was occurring, and the split has been occurred from the fifth matrix. So we'll update here, it will become 3500, and here it is written as 5. Now 4 matrix combination. Next is M2,5, and one is M3,6, and one more will be there, that is M1,4. Now we'll see the split here. We'll see the split here of 2,5, that is A2, A3, A4, A5. So A2 into A3, A4, A5. This can be written as A2 into A3 into A4 into A5. Then A2 into A3 into A4 into A5. So the minimum value you do it, and you will get 7125. Okay. So you need to update the table column of 2,5. So here 2,5 I have written 7125. In 2,5 the split has occurred from 3. Similarly you take 3,6. 3,6 is a combination of A into A4, A5 into A6, these three together, A3 into A4 into A5 into A6. Next one is A3 into A4 into A5 together, then A6. Okay, so from this you will get a minimum value 5375, and split has occurred from the third matrix. So 3,6 is 5375, and the split has occurred from the third point. Okay, this one is M124. Okay, this you'll get a minimum value 9375, and 14 has to be written inside the matrix. The split has occurred from the third matrix. So 1 2 4 9 3 7 5. The split has occurred from the third point. Fine. Next we take the combination of 5 matrix, that is M1 to 5, that can be written as A1 alone, A2 to A5 together, then A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A1, A2 together, A3, A4, A5 together, then A1 to A4 together into A5. You will get a minimum value 11875, and the split has occurred from the third matrix. 1,5 is 11875, and split has occurred from the third matrix. Similarly you find 2 6, you will get 10,500 as a minimum value, and you need to update in the table. So that is 2 to 6, you will get 10,500, and the split has occurred from the third matrix. Now 6 matrix together, that is 1 to 6. You have the combination of A1 into A2 to A6, then A1 into A2 together, then A3 to A6. A1 next is A1 to A3, then A4 to A6. Next A1 to A4, then A5 to A6, and A5 into A6, then A1 to A5 together, then A6. Then you take the minimum value, you will get 15125. That is, you'll have to update here. One, it has occurred from the third matrix. Okay, so we have gone through all the possibilities here. Now we have to find out the optimal order, okay, or the optimal solution. Now we are going to find out the optimal solution or optimal order. Okay, so first you have to write A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 into A6. It will give the optimal way of matrix multiplication by providing the parentheses and all. So here first you have to write A1 till A6 together, then take the solution matrix and check 1 to 6 where the split has occurred at the third one. So we'll have to do splitting from here, then this 3 together. Okay, then A1 to A3, that is 1 to 3, the split has occurred from the first matrix. So you have to make it, you have to start splitting, then you have to start splitting from here to here. That is, you have to start splitting from A1, then A to A3 will be together. Now A4 to A6, the splitting is happening from the fifth matrix. So you have to show the parenthesis over here. So that means these two are together. Now we have to draw the tree for this. For that you have to write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Okay, A2 and A3 will be set together, no? So like take it as node. This one is node. Everything is being written as nodes. Everything should be taken, the metrics all are taken as node. Now A2 and A3 is together, so you'll have to draw, you'll have to combine them together. Then A4 and A5 is together, so you have to combine them together, and there will be a node here. Okay, next you have to combine A4 and A5 answer to A6. So how will you do this? Like this. Then you have a node here. So here also what you will do is this answer is combined with A1, so you can write like this. Okay, now these two answers are combined together, so you have drawn the tree. Okay, this is the tree. Okay, so I hope that it is okay for you. Thank you for watching my video.